Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Core and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to press and hold the right middle button to open the menu, so press and hold this button. And after the menu opens, you can use the right lower button to scroll down, like this. Select the option called time and date, and then press the right middle button to enter. And here, make sure that the alarm option is selected, and then press the right middle button to enter. And now we can turn on and off the alarm by using the upper button or the lower button. Basically, if you select on, the alarm will be turned on, and if you select off, the alarm will be turned off. Select the on, because we want to turn on the alarm, then press the middle button. This will move you to this to time basically, and now we can adjust the hour on which the alarm should go off. And you can use the upper and lower buttons to adjust the hours. Then you can press the middle button to jump to minutes, adjust the minutes, and once you're done, press the middle button to confirm. And at this point, we have the alarm set up. And we can press the upper left button, or rather, upper left button to go back to the clock. And you will see this icon right here on the clock. It means that the alarm is set up and it's working. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.